Good morning everyone, I am Micaela Pumaras and today let us do the trend. I am a Filipino, of course, Filipino Traits Edition. I am a Filipino, of course I respect the elders. I am a Filipino. Of course I can fix anything and reuse everything. Filipino. Of course, I help others without asking for anything in return.
Okay.
I am a Filipino. Of course, I find joy even in the hardest times. Ang daming kalat. Kaya ko to.
Okay.
I am a Filipino. Of course, I work hard for my dreams and my family.
Okay.
Being a Filipino is more than just tradition. It's about the heart, strength, and unity. So let's continue to uplift one another and make our country proud.